University and UGC. Department of Civil Engineering. Our department is accredited by NBA, National Board of Accreditation, last year. So we are having national accreditation and national approval. In our department, we are having full-time and part-time courses in BTech and MTech courses. In BTech courses, we are having Department of Civil Engineering courses. In MTech courses, we are having MTech Structural Engineering, MTech Construction Management, MTech Environmental Engineering, and MTech Transportation Engineering, and MTech in a remote sense and GIS. We are also having MS by research program. Our department is also offering higher studies of research in the area of PhD also, Doctor of Philosophy. So in our department, we are having nearly 9 labs. All labs are well equipped, recently updated labs. The labs are first strength of materials lab. In that lab, we are doing the strength analysis of all the specimens, like building specimens and materials. So, like an industrial specimen means concrete, brick, and steel. Also, we have to test in fluid mechanics lab and hydraulic machine lab. In fluid mechanics lab, we are testing we are finding out the characteristics of the fluids and fluids behavior, etc. We are doing the lab. So in the lab is also managed lab. The lab is concrete lab. So in the concrete lab, we are doing the testing for concrete. So concrete is which type of concrete we are using for our construction works, etc. We are testing type of work in our concrete lab. Next, we are having soil mechanics lab. That is lab is also called as a geotechnical lab. In that lab, we are doing the soil test. Which type of soil we are doing for construction works is also we are doing for that in geotechnical lab. Here, next lab is also a transportation engineering lab. In transportation engineering lab, we are going to do the what are the types of transportation facilities are available, what are the types of bitumen, what are the types of aggregates we are using for manufacturing of roads, creating of roads. We are doing that type of experiment in that lab. Next, environmental engineering lab. In that environmental lab, we are going to test water quality analysis, sewage analysis, etc. What are the types of, what is the value of pH, water value, you have to find out in that lab. Next, we are having CAD lab, that is computer analysis and design lab. In that lab, we are having nearly 60 upgraded systems. In that 60 upgraded systems, we are having StatPro, GIS, and other construction practice softwares also we are having, and estimating quantity software also available. We are having in that lab. We are doing for all the research also we are doing in CAD lab. So next lab is structural engineering lab. So that is advanced grade of structural analysis lab. In that lab, we are having a loading frame, compression testing machine, universal testing machine, etc. The loading frame is we are having a 100 ton capacity. In that lab, we are doing all the research works we are doing. So like the next geology lab. In the geology lab, we are having the what are the types of minerals and the stones available. We are doing that type of research we are doing in that geology lab. So we are having nearly 8 types of labs. 8 types of labs. All the labs are very advanced lab and advanced equipments we are having. So this is our department profile. In our department, we are having 15 faculties are working under Department of Civil Engineering. All the faculties are PhD. Mostly all the faculties are completed doctor PhD. That is called as doctorate. So for 2 faculties are 1 faculties are doing doctorate, and 1 more faculties are going to register in this month. So all faculties are well experienced faculties. All the faculties are very friendly approach to you. If you want visit our department, you have to come one day after lockdown. We have to show all our department. How at the same time all the faculties are very young. They are a friendly approach to you. You have to approach our faculties, and you have to upgrade your knowledge in the field of civil engineering for first year itself. If you want to do any other works related to civil engineering in the beginning of your studies of the first year, you have to come and ask. All the faculties they are ready to help you At the same time, from the second year, third year, final year, we are ready to give teaching also. And the same time, we are giving our hand of help to you up to until your completion of your courses. So at the same time, if you completed at the end of the courses, we are ready to offering some of the placement also. We are having a good placement team in our university and the department also. So we are having conducted more number of symposium and workshops and webinars for our benefit of our students. At the same time, we are having more than 15 MOUs, Memorandum of Understanding, with various companies and various industries, various academic institutions for the benefit of the students. We are bringing the students for the industrial visit. We are sending the students for the industrial industrial project work also. At the same time, we are giving the internship for the students also. So more number of benefit we are offering the students at the time of your courses. At the same time, we are sending the students to the tour, educational tour and industrial visits. So these are the benefit of our these are the benefit we are offering for our students. At the same time, if you are interested, if you want anything, means you got a friendly approach head of the department and other faculties. So we are friendly offering what are the things you want to update, and you got to update for yourself. So this is so one of the highlight of our department is Edwin sir. Edwin sir is our chief engineer for our university. He is constructing all the buildings for our university. If you want anything, means in the practical oriented side, you got to contact Edwin sir. Edwin sir is in our civil site office, our phase 1 office. At the same time, Felix Kala madam. Felix Kala madam is our university dean for students affairs. You have to approach Felix Kala madam also for your benefit. So these are the two pillars is available in our department. Beyond that, all the faculties are very completed doctorate. All are having research oriented experience, and they are friendly approach to teach you and handle you. You have to give your grievances at the time of entry of your department. They are peacefully and happily to solve your personal and our university problem and your department. If anything, means you got grievances, means we got to approach and solve friendly. So our department is one of the best department for you. I congratulate all the students to choose our department. At the same time, we are having offering good type of effort to you for better good benefit for your future. Okay, madam. Thank you, madam. Thank you, dear students. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. I thank you, sir, for giving directions to the students about the civil department, labs available, courses offered. Thank you, sir. Now I call upon Dr. Edwin D. Tangam, sir, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, to say a few words.
I introduce myself. I am Edwin Tangam. I finished my engineering B in 1990 and ME in 1992. I finished my doctorate recently. I'm just 26 years of experience in teaching, and also in the same time I'm having experience in the field of construction. I'm doing a lot of projects in our university, especially so much of nearly some more than 20 lakhs of square feet of construction I have done over here, even the multi-story construction and the commercial work I have done over things. Especially if I want to talk about our department, I don't need to talk much over things because Dr. Arivalan has given a very brief about our department. Okay, anyway, congratulations for our student. I'm really appreciate you people for selecting the civil engineering branch. Actually, in future, it will give a worthful things, especially in the public and private sector. They'll be getting a lot of opportunities. Okay, actually, we people are not only doing in a teaching thing. We are the one really working in the outsourced environment. Okay, in the future projects, the civil engineers plays a major role in the things. I really appreciate you people. Once again, appreciate you people. Thank you so much for selecting civil engineering. If you have any doubt regarding any construction activities or any other things regarding our subject or anything, our staff members are free to talk anytime. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you so much for it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I call upon Dr. Kavita Ma'am, Deputy HOD of Civil Engineering Department, to say few words. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not audible, ma'am. Sir,
Madam, your
voice is not
Okay.
audible.
Okay, sorry, ma'am.
Okay, thanks, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Yeah, very nice. Good morning to all guys. I am Dr. T. Kavita, Deputy HOD of Civil Engineering Department. I have 12 years of teaching experience. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all young and energetic kids of Civil Engineering Department of Dr. MGR Educational and Research Institute. Our civil engineering field is one of the core field. We have lot of job opportunities in private sectors as well as government sectors. We have field jobs, research and management jobs. In the we have a private sector, public sector and government sector opportunities also. Some of our students are going for self-employment also. Okay. Wait, sorry. In private jobs sectors, you have job opportunities like building construction, real estate, infrastructure, construction planning and management. In government sectors, state government like MEESE, PWD, water resource, Jeevan Prakshikaran. And central government sectors, IES, CPWD, railways, water resource and military. In Indian Railways, you can apply for Indian Railway Service Engineers, Indian Railway Stores, Central Engineering Service, Military Engineering Service, Central Water Engineering, Assistant Executive Engineer, Survey of India Service. Many opportunities is there for private sector as well as government sectors. Okay, our alumni students like Rakesh Chandran placed AE in Government of Jammu and Kashmir. Nirban Laskar placed assistant professor in IIT Mizoram, and Shaheen Nazreen, he is AE in Government of Assam. Gamdo Bago, he is AE in Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Dinesh Pradhan, he is AE in Sikkim, Government of Sikkim. And Deepak Samal, he is AE in Government of Orissa. Monica Panjugam, he is a section engineer in Government of Manipur. Amarapalli Sahur, he is a senior lecturer of Orissa. So lot of opportunities also for you guys also. These are all few examples only. Our alumni are like entrepreneurs also. They are in industry also. They are in government sector also. We want you people also like becoming like that. All the very best for all the students. Completion of your BTech degree successfully. Find your ways to get success. So you have to find your ways to how to succeed in the civil department. Okay. Thank you. We will guide you anytime. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving directions about the job opportunities available for the civil engineers. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I call upon Dr. R. Sudhakar sir, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, to say few words.
Good morning. It is very immense pleasure to welcome you all to our oldest department, Civil Engineering Department. It's the oldest and the ancient department in the civil engineering field. So I'm very immense. I take this opportunity to welcome you all to this prestigious and very old department. So civil engineering is a very popular subject and it provides many suitable options for higher studies. Please mute. So please mute yourself. It's a lot of disturbance. Okay. The civil engineering is a very popular subject and it provides many suitable options for higher studies. So after doing your BTech in civil engineering, you can go for MTech in civil engineering with a specialization of your choice. So a lot of specializations are available in the MTech level or ME level. So you have the following options. A lot of options are available to choose the specialization in the MTech level. I just list out some few specialization in the Master of Technology, that is MTech level. So MTech Structural Engineering, MTech Construction Engineering Management, and MTech Environmental Engineering, MTech Transportation Engineering, MTech Geoinformatics, MTech Remote Sensing and GIS, MTech Water Resources Engineering, Hydrology and Water Resources Engineering. Apart from this MTech level, you can go for that MS by research also. And after completing this master degree, and you can do your research work also. You can start your research work by registering PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. So all this MTech, MS and PhD, the doctoral program is available in our university. So our university offering lot of PG courses. So in the MTech level and the MS. The MTech level, our department offering structural engineering, construction engineering management, MTech environmental engineering, MTech transportation engineering. Okay. So these are all very good specialization in the MTech level. And after finishing this higher studies, you can go for, you have a wide opening. Lot of opportunity you will get in the outside. Okay. So now I just want to brief about some marvelous in the civil engineering field. So apart from that, you can develop your skill in the software side also. So after completing your BTech or doing a BTech level, you can do some software, dedicated software for civil engineering like Microsoft Office, AutoCAD, Civil 3D, Autodesk, StatPro, MicroStation, and then Microsoft Project, Primavera. Okay, so these are the other softwares, the dedicated softwares is available for the civil engineering. So you can improve your knowledge in the software side also. So these are the opportunities which are available for the higher studies level. Okay, I congratulate all of you for choosing this very old department, the prestigious department, civil engineering department. So I welcome you all for that civil engineering field and the civil engineering department. Congratulations one and all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you, sir.
Madam.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Madam,
Student. Yes, sir.
I want to tell one more point to.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am Arivalagan, head of the department speaking, sir. Speaking students. So I want to tell one more information to you. So in our department, we are sending the students to the outside of the country. That is all over for the students exchange program to the various foreign university also. So last 2 years, we are sending the students for Russia, for St. Petersburg Polytechnic University for students exchange program under the students exchange program. And also we are sending the students for the USA for last year for students exchange program for the minimum period of 15 days to 1 month for to know the highlight of the department and various subjects to offering that university. The students want to upgrade for their subjects. So we are sending the students for beyond the university abroad. 50% of the students concession we are giving for the students to go for their foreign also. So this is one of the important point I want to implement to tell to the students. Madam?
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Hello?
sir. Okay,
So
sir.
this is one
Thank
more
you,
thing
sir.
I want to add to the students, madam. Thank you,
Yes,
madam.
sir.
Thank you for
Okay.
to the students. So once last over, students are they will come to the university for first year. You visit our department and interact our faculties to get more ideas about department. Are very enthusiastic. Our dynamic people are working. All the faculties, our students are. We are offering all the benefits to the students. Now it's the second year, third year, final year. Interact our students and get more benefit. We are also ready to help for all our students at any time. Okay. So I welcome all the students for our Department of Civil Engineering. Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you,
sir.
students.
Dear students, if you have any queries, please post in the chat box. Since there is no queries raised by the students, we can go for the vote of thanks.
Okay.
Any action is incomplete without the sense of gratitude. I acknowledge with gratitude our Honorable President, sir, for giving. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam. Yes,
A
madam.
student
Please.
is asking details about internship.
Yes, madam. We are sending the internship for the students minimum period of 1 month for various companies. Whether students are also selected or we are also sending the students. We are also having more than MOUs for various organizations. We are sending the students for the internship for the minimum period of 1 month in India and abroad also. We are offering.
Okay, sir. Vote of thanks. Any action is incomplete without the sense of gratitude. Now, I acknowledge with gratitude our Honorable President, sir, for giving opportunity to conduct this program. I also thank our Joint Registrar, Engineering and Science, Dr. Devi Jabaraj, sir. I also thank Dr. S. Arivaragat, sir, the and HOD of Civil Engineering Department for giving directions about the civil department and as well as the civil engineers. I also thank Dr. Edwin Tangam, sir, Deputy HOD Dr. T. Kavita, madam, and Dr. R. Sudhakar, sir, for giving directions about the department as well as the job opportunities available for the civil engineers. I strongly hope all students got benefited from today's session. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Students எதனால சொல்லுங்க மேடம், நாங்க அனுப்புங்க, நாங்க வேற டைரக்ஷன் மேடம் ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸ்.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Confirm.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. The students' attendance will be posted chat box. Fill it, ma. Students' attendance will be posted in the chat box. Students' attendance will be posted in the chat box. Please fill that link. My students, a link has been posted in the chat box, ma. Please fill the link for that attendance. Then only you'll be getting attendance for today's session. My students, a link has been posted in the chat box. Please fill the link for the attendance. Then only we'll be getting attendance for today's session. My link is opening. My students, any one of you please respond. Santosh, Subramaniam.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. It's opening, ma'am.
Students, a link has been posted in the chat box. Please fill that link. Then only we'll be getting attendance for today's session.
Ma'am, I
Those who
completed.
have filled that link, you can leave the session now.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Stop recording.